Are you ready to turn your air fryer into a flavor-blasting powerhouse? Let's dive into the top 5 mouth-watering meals you can make in no time with your Ninja air fryer. First up, crispy golden fries. And I mean, who doesn't love a good chip, right? Just slice your spuds, toss them with a bit of oil, and in they go. Next, we're talking juicy chicken wings. Spice them up or keep them sweet and savory. Either way, they come out perfectly crispy every single time. Moving on, how about some delicious fish tacos? A quick blast in the air fryer and your fish is crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, perfect for stuffing into those tortillas. Don't forget the veggies. Toss in some broccoli or Brussels sprouts with a dash of your favorite seasoning. They come out charred and delicious, a perfect side or snack. And finally, for a sweet finish, air-fried donuts. Just coat some biscuit dough in sugar, pop them in, and voila, a treat that will make your taste buds dance. So what are you waiting for? Get experimenting and turn every meal into a crispy, delicious adventure with your Ninja air fryer.